Hi, my name is Jose Cruz. I'm with Sencillo Systems, and I'm going to give you a tour of our eKon controller. Here we are at the main screen of the eKon controller. Up here in the top right hand corner, it shows us our suction pressure, our actual discharge pressure, and our current set point. On the left hand side, we have the pump status. Currently our pump is in the off position. This will display lead, flag 1, or off status. This will be our pump indicator, which will be green if the pump is running. In hand mode, this will display the hertz that the pump is running at. When we are in auto, this will display the speed that the pump is running at. This alarm button will take you to the alarm screen, and menu will take you to the menu screen. So now we're going to go into the menu screen. This is our sensor guard feature. This screen will show you the communications that the PLC is doing with the components. We have a low suction pressure, low system pressure warning, high discharge pressure alarm, full speed shutdown, suction transducer failure, discharge transducer failure, drive fault, and smart power recovery. When you do have an alarm, these indicators will turn red. The smart power recovery is green because it is now enabled. Now we're going to go into the project information. This screen will give you the identification of the unit. It's got the project number and the project name. If you ever need any spare parts or need to contact us with any information, always refer to the project number, and we will know everything that there is about the eKon controller and the pump skid. This is the screen we need to replace with the project name. So now we're going to go into our pump screen. This screen shows you the status of pump number 1. Currently we are in the off position. The hand button will light green when you're in the hand position, and this will tell you what speed you're running at. When in auto, this button will be green, and this will indicate what speed you're running at. You have your run hours. This tells you that the pump is not available because we are in the off position, and the pump is idle. The pump 2 button will take you to the next pump. If you need to alternate the pumps between 1 and 2, you press that, and the menu will take you back to the menu screen. Now we're going to go into our alarm screen. Press menu, alarms. This will indicate any current alarms. It'll display the date, the time, and the active alarm. The alarm silence button will silence the alarm. Menu will take you back to your menu screen, and home will take you back to your main screen. Now I'm going to demonstrate how to put a pump in a hand position. We'll go to menu, pumps. Over here next to our hand button, we have hertz. We could type in the speed that we want the pump to run at. In the US market, that goes from 0 to 60 hertz. Once we determined our run speed, we could put the pump in hand position. You now see that the pump is running. You can change the speed by pressing the hertz and typing in your new speed. Keep in mind that the pump will continue to run at 7 hertz as long as you are in the hand position. Turn the pump off, press the off button, and you'll see that we're back in idle. Now we're going to talk about pump alternation. The pump will alternate under 3 conditions. 1, based off a time clock, which is factory programmed at 24 hours. 2, if there is a no flow condition, once the pump's shut down, they will alternate. And 3 will be by pressing the alternate button on the screen. Let's talk about run hours. This indicator will keep track of the number of hours that the pump has been running. Each pump has its own indicator, and as a PM maintenance, you might want to keep track of the hours to make sure that they're close to each other, indicating that the system is alternating fine and the pumps are running well. Let's talk about your set point. This indicator here will allow you to change your set point at the discharge header. If you need to change it, you can press on the icon, change your set point, and that is the current pressure that the system will maintain. That concludes the tour of the eKon controller screens.